No one enjoys cleaning the kitchen, so it's important to choose materials and fixtures that are easy to keep clean. This way, you will spend less scrubbing and more time enjoying your kitchen. For easy kitchen maintenance, choose materials that are easy to clean and won't stain. If you cook a lot or use many spices, your kitchen countertops should be non-porous. Marble and woodchar blockwood countertops are popular, but they need regular care and can get easily scratched or stained. Granite is a great natural choice because it's easy to maintain. It resists heats and scratches and does not chip easily. It only needs sealing once a year, which is less often than marble. Quartzite is another good natural option, which looks like marble but is as strong as granite. It doesn't stain or scratch as easily as marble. Both materials help keep your kitchen beautiful and easy to clean. Porcelain is a great man-made countertop option. It's stronger than granite, so it resists scratches very well. It absorbs very little moisture under 0.5%, making it extremely stain resistant. It can be look like natural stone with coatings or pigments added during production. However, porcelain can crack if you drop something heavy on it, and it can't be repaired because the patterns are only on the surface, not throughout the materials. If you are looking for something more affordable, you might go for an engineered stone bench top, which is known as quartz. They are best alternative to natural stone as they look exactly like it, but are non-porous and don't absorb any spilled liquids. They are also durable and scratch resistant, as other countertops get. Unfortunately, quartz has some health risks because of silicosis cases from silica dust inhalation, which can be unsafe to workers while cutting the stone. My final suggestion is that you should go for granite as they are affordable and naturally available and easy to clean. Splashback ceramic and porcelain tiles are popular options. Solid and mirrored splashback work as well. Ceramic and porcelain tiles are very low maintenance as they have protective glass on them to resist stain. They are also non-porous and does not require any sealing at all. The main difference between these two are cost and durability. Porcelain tiles are denser and more durable than ceramic tiles. If you choose tiles, use epoxy grout because it's non-porous and stain resistant. The drawback is it's too more expensive and harder to apply. But avoid marble if you cook a lot as it's too porous. Stay away from grey surface or geometric tiles as they can be hard to clean. Limestone and backsplash may look good but are difficult to maintain. Flat panel cabinets are easy to clean and maintain because they have lesser cracks and gaps to hide dust and dirt. They are modern but may not suit for all kitchen. Satin finish is nice because it's not shiny or dull, so it hides fingerprints and can be easily cleaned. Medium tone stain hide fingerprints and dust better than dark stain. And a noticeable grain patterns help to hide marks, scratches, and stain. Before going forward, let me tell you about us. We are Happy. We built home in 180 days. Happy is a Bangalore-based construction company that prioritizes design and specializes in building homes. We have an in-house team of architects, engineers, and site supervisors. Happy ensures smooth project execution and uses quality materials and maintain transparent communication throughout the process. You can engage with Happy by either visiting our office or requesting a visit to your home. During this interaction, you can express your needs and ideas, which our architects then translate into actionable plans and estimates. The initial layout and quotation are provided complimentary. Happy offers stage-wise payments for convenience. Once the agreement is signed, you become the official partner of Happy. Happy dedicates 1 month to the design process, which includes planning, working drawings, structural drawing, 3D modeling, and obtaining necessary government approvals. We believe Design is not only for privilege, and it should be accessible to all. We are on the mission making design democratic. Have we understand that home is more than just four walls? It's a place where memories are created and life is experienced. We invite you to join hands with us to turn your dream home into reality. Avoid dark and light colors as they show crumbs and dust. Instead, choose medium toned. Hardwood, engineered wood, large format porcelain or ceramic tiles, and vinyl are also good option. They handle moisture well and are easy to vacuum and move. It's better to avoid floors with lots of lumps and deep line because it's hard to clean. Vinyl flooring, which comes in shades and handle moisture well and is tough against stain and scratches, unlike hardwood. Vinyl comes in many styles, even mimicking timber or concrete, but can look sometimes cheap. If you choose tiles, go for larger formats for less crowd to seal and clean. Porcelain tiles, though expensive, are excellent as they absorb less than 0.5% of moisture and resist kitchen spills well. Mainly, there are two types of sink, which is under-mount sink and drop-in sink. Drop-in sink sit on the counter directly, whereas under-mount sink is attached from underneath by giving a smoother look. I suggest under-mount sink because they are easier to clean, as you can wipe the dirt from the counter directly into the sink. However, under-mount sink falls again into a premium segment, but still they are worth buying. Open shelves have been a popular option for a kitchen, but it requires maintenance such as dusting and organizing, whereas closed shelves is of lower maintenance. A mix of open and closed shelves can be functional by considering a closed cabinet near the cooking area to hide clutter and for easy cleaning. Place open shelves from your cooking area to display nice items. Even glass door on cabinets are a great option to show off your best items without getting them dirty. Please avoid shiny finish like chrome or a polished nickel for a low maintenance. They shows fingerprints and stain easily. Instead, go for a brush or a matte finish which stays clean for a longer time just by single wipe. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other video on creating a low maintenance bathroom. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with anyone planning a kitchen renovation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.